Hello, good morning. My name is Atul Kumar, and hello, all of you. My name is Atul Kumar, and I am with my team. We are favor on Hindi language. Firstly, I would like to say that we have born in India, and we should follow the Indian culture as well as India. As well as Hindi is our mother tongue, and we should try to speak in Hindi. And like if you are thinking about the English, like English has a lot of scopes. So, firstly, I want to ask that why have you born in India? So try to follow the Hindi language, and you know about the your schools, like everywhere Hindi is spoken. And about the English is spoken for only for earning. Like if you have, like if you want to be teacher of English, if you want to learn something in English, I know that like if you are speaking in English in the market, and everyone is thinking that you have good skills. But about the speaking of English, we can say that like in Hindi, if we have the manner in our Hindi language, so everyone would like to be impressed with our Hindi language. And according to me, Hindi language is better than English language. Like you know that Hindi is our mother tongue, and we should try to follow it. And about the Western countries and out of the countries, I know that English is mother tongue of that countries, so we can say that English is best for them. But for the Indians, English is not good. Hindi is good. If we have the manner in our Hindi language, so we can crack any interview, and we can get higher knowledge. And you know that everywhere government is also saying that we should try to study everything in our mother tongue, because that if we try to study in if we try to study anything, like if you want to learn maths, so if you are thinking that if I will learn math in the medium of English language, I will have a lot of knowledge. So firstly, I would like to say that you will not be able to learn, because you will not have a lot of word meaning in English. But in your mother tongue, you can get higher knowledge. And about the doctors, if I want to say that, you may see in the doctors are also saying that trying to study in your mother tongue. No, no, not the English. Don't run for the English. Try to, and they have also said that and we have also become the doctor by the virtue of Hindi medium. According to them, Hindi is good for us. If we try to follow, so we can follow, and we will have a benefit of the Hindi language. Thank you. My name.
Okay, good morning, all of you. Well, my name is Gita, and I am favor of English language. So, according to me, I am not agree with you, sir. You are saying that if you are living in India, so you have to know about Hindi and you have to speak in Hindi. So, like you can see in a slum area and in a South India, they are not speaking in Hindi. They are speaking their mother tongue and basic language like Kerala and Tamil also. And if you want to speak in Hindi in abroad, then you can't speak there. You have to take a translator with you. And if you want to speak in English, and if you try to speak in English, then it's increase your personality and it's develop your personality. And if you are going in a abroad country, and if you want to live in a abroad country, then English is an international language, so you have to learn you have to learn English, and you have to speak in English with them, and you have to converse in English.
So I would like to say that, like you said, we should try to learn English language, and by the virtue of learning English language, you can get many type of skills. So I'm saying that like if you have the manner in your Hindi language, so you can also do that. And you are saying that after going to the abroad, we have to communicate with the foreigners. So I'm saying that like if you should have a lot of money to go to and visit the abroad. If you don't have money and you are only imagining that after learning English we can go to abroad, it's not easy. Like you know that every in our India 5% people are speaking in English, and they are unable to go to abroad because they don't have money. And so first of all, it means like after by the virtue of Hindi, you can do everything in your life. As I said, in your study it will help you. You know about the Hindi mediums. Hindi medium students have the a lot of ranks better than more than English medium students. And you said that about the Karnataka and Maharashtra. In the Karnataka and Maharashtra, they are not speaking in Hindi. But I'm asking you, are they speaking English? They are not also speaking English. So, and first of all, I would like to say about the Bollywood in our country, like you know about the Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan and other celebrities. They are creating and making movies in Hindi language. So because that they want to, because of they know very well in our India, every every Indians are unable to understand the English language, and I know that they are speaking in English, but they are not speaking in English whole time. They are only spending the time of speaking in English in front of the media, and it is seen everywhere like they are speaking in Hindi. And in a Hindi is easy to say, Hindi is easy to be spoken. Like if you know Hindi language, so you can communicate with anyone. And about the English language, like if you are in Indian, if you are Indian, so you will have to pay money for learning English language. But in India, you will not have to pay any type of cost to learn Hindi language. We have there is a Hindi language in our culture from our child since our childhood. But after being matured, we need to learn, and we need to pay for learning English. And in the field of learning English, we are unable to also speak in English, and you cannot communicate with foreigners after learning English, because there are a lot of layout and types of English. Like if you will go to the Canada, so there is a different communication skills in English. There are a lot of different words, so you cannot do that. Like if you want to go to French, so in the French, all the people are not speaking in English. They have their mother tongue. So in the, like if you are thinking that after learning only British and American language, British and American English language, you can start to communicate with foreigners. It's not easy. There is a lot of difference between another types of English. Thank you.
Okay, you said there are 5% people are speak English. We can talk like abroad persons. Abroad person is also come in a seen the Taj Mahal, seen the Qutub Minar, seen the seen the Qutub Minar. So we can talk easily. And it's like if you want to learn English, we can learn in a by the free. Like lots of apps we can learn free. Like you can learn by the YouTube easily. That's it.
Like there are a lot of many free platforms. By the virtue of them, we can try to learn English. So first of all, first of all, I am going to ask you that, like every teacher would like to teach you for money, and they will not teach you proper. They will only try to teach for as well as they are being paid. And also about the, like I said that, if you are thinking that, if you are going to the Taj Mahal, and in the Taj Mahal there are the foreigners are coming, so think about the think think about the, like about only British English, and but he is from America, so what will you do? So according to me, in this field we need a translator. You know about the how many countries are there in the world, how many countries are there in the world, and how many languages in India being spoken. According to me, 194 languages are being spoken in India, and we need also the translator. And about the international level of the English, so tell so after only getting the skills of the after getting skills of the English language, you cannot do a job. Like you cannot be a teacher. Like in the field of being a teacher in English, you need a maths, you need also history. And in the field of, like in the field of history, you will have to learn in Hindi medium. Then you may be able to learn best. And about the, like if you have only English skill, you know how to speak, but after speaking you cannot become anything. Like you cannot open your business. But if you have manner in your language, and if you have a lot of skills, then you can start to open your business. You are thinking wrong, and you have the illusion that after learning English we can get higher skills. Like you know about the Africans are abusing in English language. So what about them? You are saying that after learning English language we have best skills, we have manner, but they have their mother tongue in English, and they are abusing in English. So what about them? They don't have manner. So in this way, after learning any language, we cannot learn any manner. But in the India, English institutes are teaching only personality development, how to talk, how to make eye contact, and how to present it. they are not changing our habits. So after learning any language, you cannot become man. You cannot get best manners. Thank you.
uh, American come in India, so you can't take in a British language. In American, understand every language in English because you what is the mother tongue your language Hindi, and in a American he speak only English. That's why they are champion in English, and he understand every language related to English. If you are speaking British language, so he can easily understand.
You cannot easily understand. There are different.
He can understand. He can understand.
You know about the layouts and types of the English like American English, British English, French English, Canadian English, London English, another English. There are a lot of layouts. Okay.
But they can understand, sir.
if you are learning English, so you can't communicate
You-
easily.
you-
So why English is an international language?
I'm saying that English is international language for the inventions. Like imagine that if I have invented, like if I had invented the computer, so I had fixed the Hindi language in the computer, and if every country would like to use my computer invented by me, they would have to learn Hindi language, and in this way Hindi would be our international language. So we can talk about the invention, like everything, everywhere is English. Like in the mobile phone, for try to operate the mobile phone, computer, and technology things, we have to learn. And in this way, English is our international language. English is not international language for that. Like everyone is speaking English. Everyone is learning in English for operating the devices. And in our future, guys, you know about the Indians. Indians have converted. Indians have translated English devices into Hindi devices. Like,
If
you know
we
you
about
can-
are if you are living in Hindi, so why we have many types of brands, so why we are not operating in Hindi?
that's your mother tongue. Like
So
that is
we
your
have
mother
many
tongue.
types of brands, sir. We
Yeah,
have many
you
types
have
of
many- I
brands
know
in
that you
computer
have many
and
types of
in
brands.
mobile. We are also
You
inventing.
don't know about the invention. Like if I had invented computer, so I would fix for myself. And if every country would like to learn this, if every country would like to learn, so we can say that every country would have to learn Hindi language. If you want to operate my product, you will have to follow my instructions. You will have to understand my things, and there are a lot of layouts in English. You cannot learn only British and American language, and you can talk with French people and another Canadian and Russian and other people.
If any persons come in India we can take example of Taj Mahal, and he all
Only
asks
sir,
he also
only
asks.
you are telling about the foreigners. Like they are, like man, that if there is one, if there is only 1 lakh people in India, so 1 lakh people are going to talk with foreigners.
But some
Only
people
1 lakh
are going to
people
na.
are- so
Some
1 lakh
people go to.
people are going to talk with them, and they and
So
and
what
So
about
in
your
India-
what about your future, sir?
What
If
about
you
your
want to
future? Like,
if you
after
want to
learning English,
if you want to
can
be a successful person, and if you want to be a respectful person, then you have to know English.
Okay, wait.
Okay, they ask who made it.
You are saying that for being a successful and celebrity person, we have to learn English. So what about the Salman Khan? In his pastime, did he used to speak in English? He didn't used to speak in English.
So
But
why
in
why
this
they are
time-
speaking, why they are speaking in English in front of the media?
So for showing off, right? They are saying that media.
Because
will think
of the personality, sir.
I
If they
know
are
because of
if
the
they are
personality,
speaking in Hindi,
but at his home,
no one
English
is
is
you
so
know
our
what,
personality.
In the movies, I have never seen he is speaking in English, and because that they are only trying to show off.
Do not Tamil people are make make.
Wait, you said about the English champion. So you know about the English champion. English champion is that person who has the English writing skills in English, all the topics he can write, presentation skills, and about the listening skills. And only Indians are trying to speak in English, but they are unable to write. They don't know how to draft an advertisement. They don't know how to write a diary entry, and also there are a lot of formal and informal letters they are unable to write, and they are think that I have pursued a course of English speaking, and they are also unable to speak in English. And you know about the frequencies in English, frequencies, and we are unable to talk with the foreigners because that is their frequency, and we cannot communicate with them. Only we can communicate slowly. Okay, you cannot communicate as a Hindi person.
You know,
Like
some
if you are
people-
Indian, I am Indian. We can talk everything, and you know about the English. Like imagine that yeah, I have faced many problems because of the English. Like whenever I used to tell someone in English, I was unable to tell my whole problem because I didn't have word in English. But in Hindi, I had a lot of ways to share my problem. So in this way, in the English, if you want to share your thoughts, if you want to share your decision and discipline to other, you need perfect vocabulary. If you don't have, you cannot share. And someone will think that, you don't have the discipline, you don't have the knowledge. That's the reason you are not trying
Okay,
to express.
listen. Do you watch movie?
I watch
Do you watch movie?
Yeah.
Like a Tamil hero make a movie. So how we know? Because we the like they translate in English. That's why we understand easily what he tell you. On. Do you watch movie?
Yeah, I watch movie.
Like some Tamil hero make a movie.
Listen,
Make a
sir.
movie. How we know?
Listen,
Because
sir,
they are
listen,
translate.
listen.
They are translate in English. They are translate in English.
If you are going in a South India, if you are going in a
Why?
South
Because they
India,
translate
listen, sir.
it.
Because of that, they know that Indians are unable to Tamil, Indians are unable to English. And have you ever seen any celebrity in India related to Indian celebrity? He who has created and taken a part in English movies
Yeah, you don't watch English movie.
from the India.
If you know how to speak English, if you know how to speak English, so you can.
Foreign who is
Yeah.
They are able to speak in English. That is their mother tongue.
So who a foreigner can't do work in Hindi movies.
So that's the reason a Indian person, you know about the directors want only views. Director don't want to show off.
So like, listen, sir. If you are talking about India, but if you go in a slum area and if you go in a South India,
South
they
India.
don't know about. They
Like,
don't.
we
They
can
are.
take example.
They
We can
never try to
listen.
speak in Hindi.
We can take example of Kerala.
They are speaking English.
We can take example of Kerala. We can take example of Tamil.
So hello. So you were saying that like about the slum areas. So I am trying to say that like about the slum areas, they don't have food to take, they don't have clothes to wear, and you are thinking that they are speaking in English.
Can Hindi language provide them food? Provide them.
Yeah,
If you want to
Hindi language can provide them food. Hindi language can provide them food. You know about the begging. Beggars are asking for money in Hindi language. Give me. So Hindi language is giving them a lot of food. And you know about the in the field of learning, if you want to learn English, so you need money. But we are excellent in Hindi, and we can do everything in the field of English. Hindi.
By the you can talk all people, all persons. By the end you can talk all persons. Like if you want to go to Kerala, you can talk in Hindi.
Yeah.
You need a translation.
Yeah, wait.
Translation.
Yeah, so listen. If I want to talk with Kerala person, so I need a English translator. I need Kerala translator. You know. So why are you
What
going?
I say?
Oh, you said that like if I want to talk with Marathi person, so I need a English translator. I don't need English translator. I need a Marathi person.
If you are talking speaking Hindi, you don't know any types of.
And you know about the Marathi in the India. Listen, in the India, I can say that like everyone can understand Hindi language. You know that about the Marathi persons are also watching the Hindi movies. Also, they are able to understand. I know that I have met with a lot of Marathis and Kerala's person in my street, and they are saying that listen, they are able to understand. You know.
South India movie like in the Kannada and in the Tamil.
I'm saying you know about.
Yeah.
You know about the Vijay Thalapathy. Listen.
Are you watching South Korea?
Yeah, I'm watching. You know about the Vijay Thalapathy is the hero of South, and he's also. I have watched his interview. He's also saying that He is saying everything in Hindi. So what about him? He cannot speak in Hindi. He is also trying to create the movies in Hindi. You know about the Vijay the Master. Wait, Vijay the Master is totally in Hindi movie. So what about him? He is from the south, but he has created the Hindi movie.
We are making his language, but
So his language, so you can say that Hindi language related to him.
translated because we can see
So by
we can understand
the so translator has not said you. I have translated it. You know, but like Vijay Thalapathy, and there are a lot of heroes and heroines related to South, and they are able to speak in Hindi. In the interview in front of the audience, they are not able to speak in English, and they are not listen.
speak in English.
You know,
In front of the audience, they are in front of the audience, they are only saying 2 and 3 words like "Good morning, all of you." "Hi, my name is this." But whole paragraph of them is related to Hindi. Okay, they are you can watch the movies. You can listen the interview of them. You can also talk with them.
Do you know Shahrukh Khan?
I know Shahrukh Khan.
Shahrukh Khan, when Shahrukh Khan will go to Dubai, then
So you are saying about the only you. I think listen. I think you want to lose your country like.
I am speaking about India. If
You are not speaking about India. You are only speaking about the abroad. You are saying you have been listen. You have been saying many.
Listen first, like if you are watching a South movie and if you are watching a Kannada movie, then why you are opening your subtitle in YouTube in English?
So
Why? Because you
not
don't know
English.
about- you can.
I know subtitle English, but there are a lot of movies where subtitle is related to Hindi.
Like if you are purchased like biscuits, anything, so you see now English is writing also.
So what did I say? That is the invention of that country. That is their mother tongue.
Then listen, sir, can you purchase a medicine in Hindi?
I can
you purchase
yeah.
a medicine in Hindi?
So I can, but you know about the medicine sellers and medicine creators are only they are also trying to speak Hindi.
They are not
Only
giving the
medicine.
name of the medicine in Hindi. They are giving medicine name
They-
in English.
Yeah.
Only
And if
only
you
name.
want
I
to
know
do your
only
business
name.
in a medicine and medical
First of all, we
area,
don't-
everything.
But I know that like for
You
English,
have to
listen.
sell your product in English also.
We don't speak English.
We don't have to sell our product in English. We have to talk with the dealer or the purchaser or the buyer in Hindi, and we have to tell the name of the medicine in English.
Do you know like
We don't talk in Hindi.
You have to give name in English.
Only name, but we have to talk whole talking in English. Only name, like you know about the Dexorange. You know about the Dexoran series. Like I can want to purchase any type of tablet and syrup. If you go to the doctor and you will have to talk in Hindi, and you will have to tell only one name in English. And
English times we don't speak Hindi na deeply. Like some
Deeply,
some,
we don't
some,
speak-
Some words are like Urdu words. Like
I know Urdu words.
Bukhar is also Urdu word.
I know about the Bukhar and Talak, and there are a lot of related to Urdu words. So I'm trying to say that like about your English, like you know about the Russian English. If I try to see the page of the website of the related to Russian, and if I say you translate it, you cannot translate it. Like Russian English and Russian English and French English, these are the toughest and hardest layers of the English. You cannot understand. You are saying that like after learning British and American language, you can learn anything. You cannot learn anything.
According to you, like in a Russian persons, they can't understand our language. Like
They cannot understand English language.
If you are speaking, they understand easily.
Also, you cannot understand the Russian English and the French English. Like if I say about the
I
pages.
don't understand now, but they
You
understand.
know-
They can understand.
Hi, good morning everyone. Me and my team favor of English language. So also said that we are born in India and Hindi language is a mother tongue language. But we know sir, our India 28 state and their state are different and there are culture in different and their language is different. So, sir, I have a question. I want to talk Karnataka person, Karnataka people. So how I can talk?
So you said that like you are repeating the question like I am saying that if the Karnataka person has come here, so what was the reason of them? He knows that he is unable to understand. He is unable to make the audience unable. He was unable to make the students or the society in English in Karnataka, but he would like to learn Hindi language in the India. Listen, in the India, everyone can learn. Everyone can try to learn Hindi. Everyone knows English, knows Hindi. I know. Everyone can understand slowly Hindi. Like you know, this is the India. Everyone is watching movies in Hindi.
Sir, no,
You are about saying Karnataka and Kannada. Only one and two states, one and two languages are you are running.
if there is no value of the English, so why in India we are learn English?
Only there is only according to me there is only importance of the lesson value of the English for the devices. We have to run for listen. We have to follow the technology. That's the reason we are learning English language.
Without technology, you can't grow now, time, sir.
I know that
You need
Vida.
technology,
I
that's
know.
why you have to know about English.
But now time Hindi language, but English language has been listen, Hindi language has been translated into Hindi language.
Like if you are doing a job, if you are working
English
somewhere,
listen,
so you will- if you-
devices
if you
has been
translate something
English
that
devices
you
has
don't
been
know,
have been
you
created
can't
into
know.
Hindi language.
You don't want to speak English, so why are you coming here?
I'm not coming here, sir. I have been like I wanted to waste my time with you. I wanted to be famous on you. That's the reason I'm coming here.
So, sir, you can make your
I have a
time in
lot of
social
time.
media also.
I have a
There
lot
are
of-
many types of platforms you
Yeah,
can make.
I'm wasting my time whole platform.
Listen, we should not.
You can make
Yeah,
everywhere.
you can find me everywhere.
We are not
You can
free,
find
sir.
me
We
everywhere.
are not free.
Yeah, you are not free. So about the like,
Good,
can you listen?
doctor.
In your home, can you talk in English? If your mother is unable to understand English, so what about them?
So don't understand you are also.
So
speaking.
listen. So what about them?
What? Can you repeat question?
If your mother is unable to understand English, so will you first teach him English?
Mother is also
Then you-
understand. But some
What type of
some mothers are easily understand English.
Some mothers, no
Some
mothers.
mothers not like a 40% mothers understand.
Like if
Because
the
they
mother
are
listen,
educated.
if the mother,
Yeah,
I'm not talking about 50%. Listen,
You can see the content.
you are talking about abroad. You are talking only about the Kannada. Are you from
Like
Karnataka?
this is when India not only one state.
28 states. I know. I know that there are 28 states in India.
Every state have their mother tongue.
Not their mother tongue like in
I have a
UP.
question.
In Haryana, there are same like in the Delhi.
You don't know. I
They
have a
the
question.
same like
I have a
listen.
Mixture of mother
I
tongues.
want
I
tell
have
the
a-
mixture of
You
them.
can't say they
You know about the
are
Rajasthan?
living there.
Have you ever visited Udaipur
I have a
and
question.
Jaipur? Listen, have you ever visited Udaipur and Jaipur? In the Udaipur and
They are
Jaipur,
speaking
everyone
Marwari.
is.
They are speaking in Marwari.
I know that they are speaking in Marwari, but related to Hindi. They were also talking with me in Hindi. So have you ever visited in Sonipat? Listen. Have you ever visited in Sonipat? Sonipat is the area of the Haryana, and in the Haryana they are not speaking English. They are speaking in Hindi.
So,
Related
also,
to
sir, you said that different types of layout. These are also
that is not layout. That is not the layout. Only this is the way of taking. This is the manner.
Listen, sir, English.
This is only the manner of speaking.
English is same, but pronunciation is different. That's the reason.
That is not layout.
Pronunciation is
I have a
different.
question. Give me answer. Give me
And in the
answer.
English words and
Give me answer.
grammar is also different.
English is not better as compared to Hindi.
Yeah.
Not better.
Not
So why
better.
are you speaking English?
I'm
Why
not-
are you speaking
Listen,
English?
sir.
So I'm
you are
speaking in
saying
English
that
because of that
saying
you
that
are unable to
because-
speak Hindi.
Listen,
You have forgotten your country.
Only- I
You
want
don't know about your
I
God.
want to cut your points and listen.
What
First
I-
listen, like you are saying that if you know about English, then you can't speak in every language.
Yeah.
If you know about only Hindi, you can't speak in every state language. You
What
can't
the type
speak.
of listen? I'm saying about the like.
Like if you
In
know,
India, I can run. In India, I can run my mouth. Listen. In India, I can talk with everyone.
Tell me one product like there is no English in this product.
So that's the reason India has not invented anything. Like everything is from the other
So
country.
India has many types of brands also. So why they are not
That
only
is the-
Hindi?
And brands are related to out of country. Brands are related to out of country. That is not related to India.
in India.
you know about our pastime. Like in our pastime, everyone used to speak in Hindi.
So if everyone used to speak in Hindi, so why they are not embedded in English in Hindi?
They didn't have the knowledge.
Why
They didn't have the knowledge because we were not free. Listen,
Hindi. Why?
we were not free.
Gadgets in English.
We were not free, and British were ruling over us, and that's the reason we were unable to take knowledge
Why we
related to
are
Hindi.
freedom now, time. We are a freedom. We have a right, lots of
We
rights.
don't.
If we have
What
a
type of right? Like after learning English, you can rule over the world. You cannot rule over the world.
So
You
after
cannot
learning
be
English, you
successful.
can't-
Listen,
after
we
learning
cannot
English, you can't-
we cannot get successful after learning
After
English.
learning
And then
English,
why we
you
not-
also can't
And
why
listen,
we
listen,
not-
listen. If you are saying, if both of you are saying that after learning English we can be successful in our life, so tell me about the American and other boys,
They are
like
people
they are not
development.
successful. They are
In
not
what
successful.
countries they are
Our
development.
country children are not successful.
They
They
are
are also
totally
going to
developed.
school.
They
They
are
are
totally
also going to
You know,
school.
we are speaking English by the technology. Like a
For the English devices, we have to learn
like
English.
lots of countries are developed by technology.
So by the technology, but India, you know what the main reason of developing our India? You know what the main reason of developing our India is Hindi medium. Every student has qualified, best student has qualified his from the Hindi medium.
So after that,
Don't know what am I going to
like
do.
you are also studying in Hindi.
So-
you are trying to learning English.
I'm not trying to learn English. That's the reason I was unable to come. You have forgotten your country. You have forgotten your culture.
We are
That's the
not
reason
forgetting, sir.
you have
We are
forgotten.
not forgetting.
Like I
We are
think.